2 research strategies you can use to find your next $1 million product this month.
First method is to go to Amazon.com and reverse engineer Amazon. Now, we're not going to be selling on Amazon, but we're going to use Amazon to find products that are going to make us a lot of money. So what you want to do is you want to click on either the best sellers, movers and shakers, or most wished for. From there, you want to go through the products and look for unique products that you can sell between $20 to $60. Once you have found a product, go to Google and type the product name in. See how much search volume this product gets. If it's over 30,000, then this product is a good product to sell. Make sure you check the Google trend of the product to make sure that it stays consistent throughout the year. Method number 2 is reverse engineering Facebook. Go through Facebook and look for sponsored posts. This means this company is running an ad. You want to look for the engagement and also go to their back-end ad library to see how long they've been selling this product for. If they've been selling this product for more than 2 weeks, then it's safe to say this is a good product to start testing and selling. Third method is by going to Pinterest. Scroll through Pinterest and look for promoted by. This again means that this company is selling the product. Save the link to the ad and then come back 7 to 10 days later to see if the ad is still running. If it's still running, then this is definitely a product that's making money and you can start selling and testing this product.